As a captain, I run a lot of private boats. I fish, I cross to the Bahamas a lot. It's super important to have proper maintenance and service done every 100 hours. It just gives me peace of mind as a captain out there on the water, and that's super important. I mean, you can't put a price on that. Getting the service done by a reputable and trained professional like the team here at Bilbo's Marine is protecting sort of your investment in your vessel, because your engines are a big portion of that investment. When I show up to the shop, it really is hands-on and very helpful to have David, the service manager. He meets me at the ramp with the trailer, we haul out, and we bring it right up the road here to the shop. We go over some things about what he thinks needs to get looked at with the vessel. I always trust what he has to say because he's never steered me wrong. And then they get right to it. I mean, they're very timely and cost effective. I mean, if there's something that needs to get done, he lets me know. And if there's things that don't need to get done because they look good, he also lets me know to sort of save me some money if he can. When I bring my vessel or any of my clients' vessels to Bilbo's, they're doing all of the work that they're saying they're doing. Unfortunately speaking, that's not the case with a lot of other companies in where we are. I absolutely would recommend Bilbo's Marine, all their services to my clients, and also done and will continue to do in the past because of the work they do and because of the way that I'm treated when I bring my vessel or my clients' vessels here.